God-fearing ka tapos naniniwala ka sa zodiac sign? Watch this video.
Do you believe in zodiac sign? Oh no.
So ba't ka biglang nag-pop?
Di ba God-fearing ka? Why do you believe that?
Well, God gave us stars, and stars is astrology, and zodiac sign comes from astrology.
So that's science. Science don't believe in God.
But
I'm a
the
God-fearing too.
The smartest scientist can prove that God exists because of the most perfect DNA, and it came from Jesus Christ.
Well, I don't really need to prove anything from you. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Lilinawin po natin, yung astrology is not science. Astronomy is science, not astrology. Astronomy is a study of Earth, planets, stars, and even the universe at kung ano yung origin ng universe. It falls under astronomy. Pero ang astrology is not science because it is based on the idea na yung mga planeta at mga stars, constellation ay nakaka-influence sa personality at destiny ng isang tao. Based sa astrology, your zodiac signs nagsasabi sa iyo kung sino ka, ano yung personality mo, at kung ano yung mangyayari sa iyo. Christianity is different. As a Christian, naniniwala tayo na ang destiny natin nakasalalay sa Panginoon. Yung future natin ay base sa Panginoon, hindi base sa mga celestial bodies, hindi base sa mga formations ng stars. As a Christian, our identity is in Christ. Hindi nakabase kung ano yung zodiac sign natin. Practicing astrology is a form of divination. At ano ba yung sinasabi ng Bible tungkol sa divination? Deuteronomy 18 verse 10 to 12. Let no one be found among you who sacrifices their son or daughter in the fire, who practices divination or sorcery, interprets omens, engages in witchcraft or casts spells, or who is a medium or spiritist, or who consults the dead. Anyone does these things is detestable to the Lord, because these same detestable practices the Lord your God will drive out those nations before you. If you are a Christian and naniniwala ka sa zodiac sign, stop doing that dahil hindi yan kalugod-lugod sa mata ng Diyos. Astrology and Christianity are not compatible with each other. Hindi pwedeng nakasalalay sa Panginoong Jesucristo yung character mo at yung identity mo, and at the same time nakasalalay sa stars yung personality mo. At hindi pwedeng nakasalalay sa plano ng Diyos yung buhay mo at yung destination mo, and at the same time nakasalalay sa mga stars at zodiac signs. Imbis na mag-trust tayo sa constellation at mga zodiac signs sa hinaharap natin, sa future natin, we trust in the Lord as Christians to establish our path. Psalm 37 verse 23. The steps of a man are established by the Lord when he delights in his way. And lastly, doon sa sinabi ng lalaki na science and God is not compatible, hindi po totoo yun. Dahil pwede nating ma-prove na maraming evidences scientifically that points towards the existence of God. Baka sa susunod na mga videos pag-usapan natin yon. Don't forget to follow for more videos. God bless.